Hey everyone, it's Bitcoin Brian here with Bitcoin Fam. And today I'm going to do a video on Maple Finance and give you a quick price update. So if you could hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, leave a comment, all of that'll really help us out. Thanks. Before I start today's video, I have to put out the disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. It's just my views and opinions and me sharing what I'm doing and looking at in the crypto space. So let's get right into the video today on Maple Finance. Give you a quick update. Go ahead and share my screen and we'll get right into it. Here we are, Maple Finance on CoinGecko. Right now it's ranked 345 with total market cap of just under $200 million market cap. Price right now is $25.59. Blew by my $24 prediction, and I have new predictions coming up for price predictions for Maple. So I really think this coin still has a 10 to 20x left in it for this bull market. I really could see this being anywhere from $250 to $500 token. That would put it anywhere from $2 billion to $4 billion market cap, maybe even $5 billion market cap. Could probably go higher. Who knows? I mean, could this be a $10 billion market cap coin? I don't know. Real world assets are growing. I mean, BlackRock's investing over 100 million into real world assets and tokenization of real world assets, and Maple Finance fits right into that. So who knows? We'll have to see what happens in the DeFi market, but it's definitely a hot market. So we can see all-time high of $68.20. We're definitely going to blow by that number. That number is going to get blown out of the water. So we'll go right here into the charts and just look at it. So here I have the weekly chart up. I drew some lines just for myself, but this bottom line was that $24 resistance line. You can see before, when it was going up, it hit it over here multiple times, then broke above it. Then you can see this was resistance for a few weeks, and then it was support, and then it turned into resistance a few times, and then you can see we pushed it here, and then we broke above it, and we closed right on it for the weekly. So, and I think the next resistance, what I see is probably around $30, somewhere in there. And you can see we wicked up to it, but ran out of steam, and we closed right down at what used to be a resistance. And now we're trying to change that $24 into support. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. We'll go ahead to the day. And on the daily chart, you can see, and mind you, all of them, you can see that moving averages, the 250 and 20-day moving averages, they're all heading in the up direction. You could see they're bending to grow, and you can see over the last week and a half, 2 weeks, we've had this nice uptrend really over the last, from where it was this bottom to where it peaked here, roughly, that's 110% over 10 days. So that's amazing. And I think we're just catching up more speed. I could see this maybe over short term going sideways in this channel, creating a sideways channel here between $24 and $30. But we'll have to wait and see on that. I need a little more data. But I'm thinking that it could just go right up to here, to the top of this channel and $30 price range, and break above it and go. If that happens, to me, the next price is $50. And after that, it's all-time high. There's some resistance at $50, but after that, there's nothing. I mean, as you saw in the weekly chart, there really isn't a lot of price data to stop it. And we got some here at the $24. I mean, there's a little bit at 30, but not a lot. But then you have some at the 50 and then all-time high. So, I mean, is it possible that we could hit that? I think we'll definitely be above the $30. I think it is even possible, especially if the market really picks up steam, which I think it's going to be picking up steam here in the next next few days to a week. But if it picks up steam, I mean, is it possible that it could reach this $50 mark? I think it is. So, you know, you figure from where we're at right now, you know, we're at 25, 60, 25. We'll just call it 25 just to make life easy. So you go up to $50 by, I think the halving's April 18th. So could it do a 100% hit gain in 18 days? Well, it just did 110% in 10 days. But who knows? Does it need some time to recoup? We'll have to wait and see. There's not a lot of volume right now. So, but my prediction is we're going to have, I don't really have a prediction on this one right now, folks. I do think $50 price range is definitely going to happen soon. I guess I'm going to go out on a limb. I'm going to predict $50 by the halving. So that's my prediction for the next 18 days. For this week, I think we're going to go ahead and get above $30 this week and start climbing to our $50 mark. So that's my prediction for Maple. Definitely a lot of steam in it. I think this thing is going to go to the moon and beyond. Really, this is going to be a triple-digit value token. Definitely with the DeFi sector heating up the way it is. And who knows? This could even become $1,000 token. We're going to end on that math. So if it was $1,000 from right now, so I'll divide that by its current price, $25.59. That would be a 39x. Wow. So, So if it was $1,000, it would be a 39x. So we're going to times that by its current market cap. That's almost a 40x. That's crazy. 4,000% gain. So could it do that? So if the price of Maple gets to $1,000, its total market cap would be $7.8 billion. I think we could see an $8 billion market cap for Maple Finance. But we're all going to have to wait and see what this bull market brings us. But like I said, my prediction for the short term is going to be $50 Maple by the Bitcoin halving on April 18th. So that's all I have, folks. So you have it. My price prediction by Bitcoin halving on April 18th will be $50. And before then, by the end of the week, we're going to be trading over $30. So if you could, hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, leave a comment. All of that will really help us out. Thanks and have a great day.